I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace a blown bulb here for your brake lights or tail lights on your Mercedes. It's a 2015 C250 Coupe. This is my daughter's car. And she called me and told me she had like a lights that come on that says check the tail and brake lamps. And you see right here, it says the right brake lamp and the tail and brake lamps told us to check it, and those were blown. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is. So you don't have to call nobody, you don't have to call a friend, you don't have to call your husband, your boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever. You can do this yourself. It's real simple. First, what you want to do is just pop the trunk, and we having a problem with the right side. So you see all this junk in my daughter's car. But anyway, you want to move this little piece right here. It just pulls right off. And we're going to get in here. I'm going to zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. I'll turn the light on. But what you want to do is get in here. You see these two clips? You push them together and pull. And the whole PC board assembly come out. And on this assembly, there's 3 light bulbs. And I'm doing this with one hand, so I'm going to show you how easy it is. As you can see, this bulb right here, you want to push in and turn it counterclockwise, and it'll pop right out. And you can get these at AutoZone, O'Reilly, anywhere for about $7 for 2. And to put it back in, you put it in that slot, push down, and turn it clockwise. And like I said, I'm doing all this with one hand, and it took less than a minute or 2 minutes to do. It's that simple. Then what you want to do is line those holes up together. It only fits one way, so you can see the holes where the lights go in, where the bulbs go in, and you push it in, you're gonna hear it click. There you go. That's it. It's that simple. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.